Hi, I'm Colette Robicheau, professional organizer, and I'm here today talking to Tracy from Neatfreak about some innovative laundry hampers. Tracy, tell me what makes them so innovative.
Well, all of our neatfreak laundry hampers have Everfresh probiotic technology for odor control.
Wow, probiotic, that seems like the word of the day. Tell me a little bit more about that.
What probiotics are is a beneficial microbe that's found all around us in nature that we've harvested and managed to basically bake into our fabric.
Wow.
And what this does is these microbes stay dormant in the fabric until they come in contact with moisture and bacteria. And when they come in contact with those, they come alive and they go to work on that bacteria and moisture, the odor-causing bacteria, to turn it into CO2, which evaporates, and water, which dries. So your hampers are always clean, always fresh.
That sounds great. And it sounds like CO2 and water. That sounds like natural things.
It is. This is 100% natural. There's no chemicals in it whatsoever, no harsh chemicals, no toxins. It's safe for the environment, it's safe for your family. There's no perfumes or masking agents covering up that odor.
Mm-hmm.
It's completely natural.
So that's something our families are looking for these days is the natural ways to deal with some of our problems.
Definitely. So let me show you how that works. I'm going to spray a little bit of ammonia. It's pretty strong stuff.
It is very strong.
And I'll spray a little bit of our liquid form of our Everfresh. So once that starts to dry, that's going to work on that bacteria and
wow, you can
odor,
smell it.
and it evaporates. So that'll be completely gone by the time that dries, and that's how it works on our hampers.
That's just great. Really innovative products at Neatfreak, especially your Everfresh hampers.
Thank you.